Hello guys, welcome our channel Super Cooking Days. So today we bring you a new recipe. So our bartender Mr. Pushittam is here. So he will going to show you very nice drinks. What's called the sir? You can.
Hello guys. Today we are going to make blackberry juice. That called baby blackberry juice also. We have here orange juice. We are going to put here 200 ml of orange juice.
आपको 200 ml ऑरेंज जूस आपको यूज करना होगा. देखिए.
Then we have here baby blackberry. Baby blackberry 150 gram. So I'm going to put here with orange juice. So now we have banana, half pieces of banana.
तो आपको बेबी ब्लैकबेरी क्या यूज करना होगा. और
this is banana here. So I'm going to put together with the blackberry.
Okay.
Then we have here strainer. We have supposed to put strainer, but there is home we don't have strainer. So just I will roll it this one slowly together with the oranges and whole blackberry, baby blackberry. Then we will blend it together like 1 minute. We blend here.
तो आपको ब्लेंड होगा और एक बार आप बनाना चाहिए.
We're gonna pour the coffee in the cup, and the coffee will stay fresh for 20 minutes, and you can enjoy with chocolate. You can enjoy
now I am going to put here orange ball. This orange ball, you can see 4 pieces of one whole orange. Make it 4 pieces, divided by 4 pieces. Then put it over here.
आपको ऑरेंज पल्प डालना होगा.
Then again close it and just 5 seconds, just blend it, just shake it, so you can shake properly. Just 5 seconds, because orange gives you more flavor. This is good combination with berry and orange flavor. So with orange, so you can feel refreshment because of the orange. Put in the glass. So you can see we have glass, beautiful glass over here, and then I pour it. Yeah, because of the glasses looks like not full. Okay. So we have garnish here. This is the one. So I'm just placing nicely. This is called baby blackberry. So this is the one main garnish. So place it nicely. Yeah. You can enjoy this one in your home. This is very simple recipe. So you can make. Yeah, you can make easily if you have blender at home, blackberry and orange juice. Drinks is very healthy because of the now summer season is going on, so it gives you refreshment, and you can simply make in your home. So please have you at your home, and don't forget to subscribe and like this channel. You can see the many good videos, food recipe, drinks over this YouTube channel. It's nice, especially I like this channel. I hope you like these drinks. So I hope you subscribe and like this channel. You simply make it your home. Thank you so much.
Thank you, chef. Thank you, sir Pushittam, to show you very baby blackberry juice to our YouTube channel friends. So I hope guys you like this our drinks. Sure you will try at home and like it. I hope so. Please give your comments these channels and please like and subscribe this our channels guys. Bye, see you our next recipe. Thank you, bye bye.
Pour it, the coffee in the cup, and the coffee will stay fresh for 20 minutes, and you can enjoy with chocolate, you can enjoy with croissant,